Hi there, Melody from WTI. If you have thin hair like me, pretty much any blow dryer is great. But if you have thick hair, you're going to want to check this one out. This is the negative Ionic hair dryer from OSOU. And oh, what a hair dryer this is. But it's not just a drying tool, as it releases 200 million negative ions during the drying process, which is 10 times more than regular Ionic dryers. It helps reduce static, it locks in moisture, and it leaves your hair so smooth and shiny. It has an incredible ultra powerful high speed 110,000 RPM motor, which doesn't tell me a lot per se, but it tells our hair a lot. My daughter-in-law usually takes 45 minutes to dry her hair, and with this amazing blow dryer from OSOU, it took her 10 minutes. She was so impressed. So this hair dryer has 4 temperature settings: cool, 149, 176, and air cycling, and 2 different speeds. It's not overly loud, and check out the power. I adore the color. I love the size. It's perfect for taking on a trip. So pretty impressive, huh? That's my point of view.